Welcome to Kamloops Open Online Learning. My name is Dean Coder, and I'm principal. Online learning is becoming a choice for many students both in British Columbia and in North America for part-time completion of their high school diplomas or post-secondary, or even for full-time. We're very excited about the future that online learning brings to education, and we hope you have a very good experience in your course. I wish you all the best in your course and for your success. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dean Coder. I'm principal of Kamloops Open Online Learning, and I'm here today to talk to you about technology-assisted learning for schools in China. And I'd like to take a little bit of your time to give you a description about what that looks like. We begin with, in these courses, we actually have two teachers working with students. We have a teacher who's in British Columbia teaching to the students through media, such as Skype or another online tool such as Elluminate. We also have a teacher in the classroom who's the non-certified teacher. Both of these teachers work together to support student learning and to ensure the students have a high level of achievement. So I'd like to take an opportunity now to show you how the students work online with the teacher in British Columbia. The program we're going to show you right now is one called Elluminate. And it has both all of the students that are in the course, all at the same time, and it shows the desktop that the teacher has in BC on the screen for every student. So let's take a look at that now.
Now, the two credit entries are cash and accounts payable / Mac computers. Now, to separate the debit from the credit, you come in slightly from the left-hand margin, you indent from the left-hand margin, and that's where you write your credit entry. Okay.
All right, now we've seen what the teacher is using, the online software package called Elluminate. Let's go take a look and see what's happening in the classroom now.
So we looked at that. We looked at the general, here's your general ledger, and I said to you we have two subsidiary ledgers. And the two subsidiary ledger is the accounts receivable ledger and an accounts payable ledger. Accounts receivable contains all the people who owe us money. Now, they're put in alphabetical order. Who can give me a reason why debtors would be put in alphabetical order, but in the general ledger, the assets, liability, and so forth are given a number? Why are debtors not given a number? Now, I'm asking you to really think here.
All right, so we've seen the online Elluminate package that the teacher uses. We've seen what the classroom looks like. Now, finally, what I'd like to do is just give you a brief tour of what the sort of online textbook looks like.
So what I'm showing you here is essentially a digital textbook. As I scroll down, you can see the different chapters in the textbook. And of course, in chapters are explanations about topics and ideas and questions. This particular textbook has some also tests and quizzes in it. And as you can see, we go down, and there are 8 chapters to this textbook. So as I go back to the top, you will notice on the right-hand side a glossary of some terms and some templates for the course. So let's go in and take a look at a particular page in this textbook. So if we take a look at schedule cost of goods sold. So there's a description of what that schedule looks like. But at the end, this is more than just a paper textbook. If you also want to hear an explanation of the concept that was taught here, you can click a button and listen to a little video.
A schedule of cost of goods sold is a supporting statement for the preparation of an accurate income statement and balance sheet for a merchandising business for a specific accounting period. It itemizes all the costs of buying the goods. To find the cost of goods sold, start with the beginning inventory, then...
So as you can see, this is much more than just a textbook. It's a learning management system where both the student and the teacher can interact with each other, where students can go through some learning both with text and with audio files, and of course, video can also be placed in here. It's a place where students can learn 21st century skills for being successful in today's new economy.
So we've seen the Elluminate software that the students are using in the classroom. We've also seen the students at work in the classroom. Finally, we looked at the online textbook that the students used. And lastly, what I'd like to show you is the second teacher that's facilitating the learning with the students in the classroom and works closely with the teacher in Canada.
It says the person made a payment of $220.77. This is to cover the invoice that is for $223 with a 1% discount of 2.34.
Our teacher in the classroom can not only help students from the front of the class, but also moves back to help students on a one-on-one basis.
So we've seen this technology-assisted learning at work. And what we have is we have two teachers working hard to support the students, and also we have a lot of new technologies that we've brought in and exposed the students to as new tools in learning for this 21st century environment. Thank you very much for your time.